If you're experiencing verification issues on Binance after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Review verification requirements. Check the specific documents and information required for verification on Binance. Ensure you have valid identification, proof of address, and any other necessary documentation ready. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can affect the verification process. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser before attempting to verify again. Step 3. Use the mobile app. If you're having trouble on the website, try using the Binance mobile app for verification. The app may provide a smoother experience and help you bypass any website-related issues. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After submitting your verification documents or contacting support, be patient. It may take some time for Binance to review your information and respond, so check your email regularly for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Binance. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from community forums or Binance's help center.